Students, let us continue with the topic binary search. In the previous video I explained about the what is a binary search and what is the pseudocode for the binary search. Now let us take the example. So here we have to first take the array. So in that array consisting of some elements, we have to find the element. So this binary search may be successful or unsuccessful. Successful search means if the searching element is found, then you call it as a successful search. If the searching element is not found, then you call it as an unsuccessful search. Now let us take two examples. So in the first example, let us take the binary search of successful search. Means whatever we are searching, so in that array we will find an element. So let us take an array. So this is an array consisting of elements 5, 7, 9, 13, 32, 33, 42, 54, 56 and 88. So one thing you have to be noted that a binary search can search the element only the sorted array. So it should be a sorted array should be there. Okay, a sorted array should be there. So this is a sorted array. So all the elements are arranged in an ascending order. So 5, 7, 9, 13. So and the values here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the array size is the 9. Let us take the key value. Key is 33. I want to find the element 33 in this array. So how we will find? So first we have to divide an array. That is mid is equal to start plus end by 2. So what is the start value? Start is array 0 plus end is 9. 0 plus 9 by 2, that is 8. Means 9 by 2, that is approximately the value is 4. So 4. So this is here you have to check that 33, whatever the divided value, that 33, the search key value here is greater than a of mid. So mid is 4. 33 is greater than a of 4. So a of 4 is 32. Okay, but the search value we want is 33. So we have to skip this thing because this is greater than 33 is greater than a of 4. Then you have to skip the left side. That means you have to take that start is equal to mid plus 1. That means now the start will come here. This is the start and this is the end. So we skip this. Why we are skipping this? Because the search value that is greater than a of mid. So a of mid is the 32 I got. Okay, that is a 4. The a of 4 is 32. So 33 is greater than 32. So just skip this. Now the start becomes this 5 and end is 9. Now again check. So what is the array now? So here the array is 33, 42, 54, 56 and 88. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now again check. Divide the array into half. Mid is equal to start plus end. Start is 5. End is 9 by 2. So that is 14 by 2. That is 7. So now the mid becomes 7. So a of 7 is greater than or less than the key value. Here 33 is less than a of mid. A of mid means a of 7. 33 is less than a of 7. So a of 7 is 54. So 33 is less than 54. Okay. So now the end is mid minus 1. Why I am taking the end is mid minus 1? Because 33 is less than A of 7. Less than A of 7 means that is 54 is greater than 33 is less than. So you have to skip this. You have to skip this and we have to search in this left hand side. So now here the end is mid minus 1. So this is the mid value. So mid minus 1 and we have to search from start to mid minus 1. So that's why end is equal to mid minus 1. So now again the search element. These two, the array consisting of 2 elements now. 33, just you are skipping this. 33 and 42. So 33 is 5, 42 is 6. Now mid is equal to 5 plus 6 by 2. So this is approximately 5. Means 11 by 2, that is approximately 5. So now the mid is 5. Is the mid is equal to key value? Yes, 33 is equal to A of mid. That is 33 is equal to A of 5. A of 5 value is 33. 33 is equal to 33. So 33 is found at, it is found at index 5. Then you can say it is a successful search. So this is how you have to search for an element. So here the simple concept is just take an array. So in that array you have to just take the start element and the end element of an array. So 0 plus 9. So it is 4. So that is you get the mid element. Mid element is 4. So what is the A of mid? A of mid. A of mid is nothing but 32. So is 33 is greater than or equal to 32? Greater than or less than or equal to 32? 33 is greater than 32. So yeah, just you are skipping this part. Just remove this part. Okay, you don't search for this because everything is from right hand side. So just take the right hand side elements up to here. Okay, so 33, 42, 54 that we have taken. Again 5 plus 9 start and end 14. So that is now the mid element is 7. So here the 33 is less than 54. So less than 54 means you have to search from left side. Less than means you have to search the left hand side because the array is sorted. So you just skip these elements and you have to take only these two elements. Again you are considering mid plus 5 plus 6 by 2, that is approximately 5. So then A of mid is 32. 33 we get the whatever the element we are searching that we have found. Okay, so this is a successful search. So in the next video I will explain about unsuccessful search of an element by using the binary search. Thank you.